I'm Diana Brienne. Streamline your life. Simpler is better. So often we complicate our lives. We put too much on our plates. We get so busy that we just don't have time for just about anything to enjoy. Life is meant to be enjoyed. It's not meant to be rushed. Quit the rushing game and start the enjoying game. Okay? Life is meant to be enjoyed. Streamline every area of your lives so that you have the best in your life and that you're not just putting a lot of stuff into your life. So often people just keep adding and adding and adding, and they don't even know what they're adding. Remember, the people that we hang around with do affect our lives, so make sure that your relationships are great in your life and that they're adding to your life rather than taking away. Quit rushing, have great relationships, and streamline your life, okay? Make it all happy. Well, from my house here in the South to wherever you are at, God bless you, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.